Hi, friends. One day Liam was walking home from school when he heard a soft whimper. He turned around and saw a little boy with a backpack looking around a quiet street. Behind a bush, Liam found a small puppy with big, sad eyes. The puppy's collar had no name, so Liam gave him some water from his bottle. He looked around, but couldn't see the owner anywhere. So he decided to bring the puppy home. Together with his mom, they posted flyers and asked their neighbors if they had seen the puppy. The next day, a worried family knocked on their door. It was their puppy, Max, who had been lost for days. The family was so happy to have him back. They thanked Liam and his mom for taking care of Max. And as Liam watched them leave, he knew that what he did was the right thing. Kindness always finds its way back. What would you do if you found a lost puppy? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more short stories like this one. See you next time!